my Chevy Impala, there's magic in the air. Driving down those highways, so free and alive. Memories we made, now it's hard to say goodbye. Adventure calls us forward through lanes we've known. Every twist and turn, this car feels like home. Oh, the wheels may stop for winter's cold embrace, but in my heart, sweet memories never fade. V8 engine roaring, echoes in my mind. Every summer moment, another piece to find. From shows to roads less traveled, we turn the page in the glow of autumn. I remember every stage. Festival lights shining, faces all aglow. Meeting new friends, sharing stories on the go. Learning every detail, polishing the chrome. Keeping her shiny, this beauty's always home. Late night drives with the stars up high, singing to the radio, just me and the sky. Through winding roads and whispers of the past, in my 65 Chevy, growing memories that'll last. Oh, the wheels may stop for winter's cold embrace, but in my heart, sweet memories never fade. V8 engine roaring, echoes in my mind. Every summer moment, another piece to find. From shows to roads less traveled, we turn the page in the glow of autumn. I remember every stage. Seasons come and go, but our bond stays strong. With every turn of the wheel, I hum our song. She's more than just metal, she's part of my heart. In the music of motion, we've played our part. As winter draws near and the snow starts to fall, I hold on to the dream, the memory of it Oh, the wheels may stop for winter's cold embrace, but in my heart, sweet memories never fade. V8 engine roaring, echoes in my mind. Every summer moment, another piece to find. From shows to roads less traveled, we turn the page in the glow of autumn. I remember every stage. So here's to the memories, the laughter, the cheer. With my 65 Chevy, every season's dear. When summer returns, we'll be free once more. Until then.